put healthy food on their tables. This has obviously been made worse by the COVID pandemic. So in honor of World Food Day, we here at Edie Ugot, including myself, are joining Common Threads to raise awareness for health and nutrition during COVID-19. Today I'm going to be making a really easy, simple chicken fried rice using some common pantry items or staples offered in food bank grocery boxes. So this is a quick and easy chicken fried rice. I chose it because it's something that my mom and my dad would throw together growing up. They both had jobs. They both didn't have a lot of time to cook. But again, they're just staples that we had in our house. Jasmine rice that was already steamed and leftover. Some diced up chicken. Some veggies. The ones that I used are things that you can commonly find in a food bank grocery box. So carrots, celery, and onions, but you can sure use whatever else you want. If you have broccoli, if you have spinach, if you have cauliflower, throw anything else in there. Season with salt, or what we like to do is add soy sauce and some hot sauce, and you got yourself a dinner for 2 or more. So the ingredients are, you've got some carrots, some celery, and some onions. I've already started cooking them down because this is just a 2-minute video. Cook them down in some butter. If you don't have butter, any oil is totally fine. I'm just going to cook it for a few minutes until everything's nice and soft. There's also some diced up chicken that we're going to add to this. It's about 2 cups. And diced up chicken breast. You can heat everything all the way through. And once everything's nice and hot, you're going to throw in a couple of eggs. Now you can be as creative as you want with this. You can add literally any vegetable. If you have spinach, if you have broccoli, if you don't like carrots, you can use parsnips, literally anything that you have on hand. Cauliflower. And I've just seasoned with a little bit of salt. And once you're added 2 eggs, once the eggs are nice and cooked down, you're going to add some rice. About 2 cups of cooked rice. To your mix. So there's so many ways to help right now. You can donate to Common Threads. A $25 donation fee is essentially 2 meals for a family of 4. A $500 donation gives families access to a virtual nutrition class. You can also contact Congress and encourage them to support giving out of food stamps or SNAP, that's Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Programs. If you need any more info, you can also go to www.commonthreads.org or follow their Instagram handle @commonthreads.org. So enjoy, guys. Thank you again so much, and happy World Food Day.